Here are 5 RV hacks you have to see before your next road trip. First, tired of your pantry falling out all over the place after you drive? Organize it with some bins to keep the food inside your closets. Next, add a net to attach to your pantry, and this helps to keep everything inside. No more issues with food spilling out. Shoe organization is always hard. This hack involves having a shoe rack and shoe slots, which I found on Amazon. This gives you added space so you can stack your shoes neatly on top of each other and helps with organization. No more piles of shoes all over your RV. The next and possibly the best hack, stay connected and travel freely with the Travelfied Journey XTR 4G LTE router, your must-have road trip companion. Setting it up is a breeze, just plug and play. With no permanent location required, Travelfi is designed for travelers, remote workers, and adventure seekers who need reliable internet anywhere, anytime. No more dead zones or switching between multiple hotspots. Travelfi's multi-carrier service connects you to the strongest available signal. No contracts, no commitments, no hidden fees. You only pay for the months you use, and you can start and stop service anytime. So whether you're working on the road, streaming your favorite shows, or gaming under the stars, Travelfi keeps you connected wherever your journey takes you. Get the Travelfi Journey XTR using code HOMETALK10 and get 10% off Travelfi's devices. Another genius hack is to help make your living room a little bit more cozy by diffusing light from above. I do this with some simple 3M hooks that I attach to the ceiling. Then I add a light cover. Adding extra storage is a great hack throughout the RV. It's so easy to do with some command hooks and storage accessories, like this one that holds the vacuum. We add hooks throughout the RV to hold brooms, hats, hoodies, towels, you name it, and we are hanging it on a hook. Adding organization helps to multiply the space you have. Like this storage basket with multiple baskets, it's great to hold items in your RV. The bathroom is always an area that needs more space, so we add in caddies and dispensers to the walls to help keep items off the ground and attach them to the RV. I hope this inspired you to organize and save space before your next RV adventure. Thanks to Travelfi for sponsoring this video.